Hey guys, Ian Volchoff here at Century 21 Trophy Class, and I'm standing on, obviously, a grass runway on 80 acres in Jackson County. But this place also has a really cool old farmhouse from the 1800s, a machine shop, an airplane hangar, some old barns and cool buildings in a really awesome homestead type setting. We're right outside of the town of Napoleon, but just south of Jackson. The 80 acres surrounds me. There's a little bit of wetland. There's all kinds of great bedding for deer habitat. We also had a big 8-point, try to get out on the airfield while we were driving the truck back here. This place is very dynamic. Somebody could do something really cool with it. And if you're interested, it takes a little bit to show it. So give me a text, give me a heads up. My number's right here on the video. And I hope to see you out here. Thanks.